Been up for like approximately 10 minutes. I've used the bathroom. It's really strange to not have internet, honestly. I wasn't expecting all the little things. Like, with no internet, you can't scroll anything while on the toilet. So, yeah. But I did download a few movies on our iPad so that we have shit to watch while we do stuff, because I just, like, I can't do stuff without watching stuff. But I feel like such an iPad kid right now. And it's driving me crazy. But I don't feel very good, so I'm going to take a bath and just watch something on the iPad while I take the bath. And wait for Dalton to get home, because he also works today. Christmas Eve of all days. He works until noon. We decided we're going to open one of the... Oh, sit inside the wet spot. Oh, what? Move. Put some blanket over it or something so I can sit here. Okay. Anyway, this is one of the gifts from my parents, and because it's Christmas Eve, we decided to open it, because my mom told us that she wasn't going to tell us whose gift was whose, like whose wrapping was whose, and they didn't label it, but she did tell us that the one with both is for both of us. So I figured we'd open this one together. Ready? Damn.
Oh, she just did a whole wrapping and then half a wrapping.
Interesting.
Well, it's not even like, what the fuck is...
Ugh. Oh, it's a Costco tote and membership. It's the Costco membership and tote, gift set. It's so cute. I wanted this tote so bad, but you couldn't get it without a membership, and I couldn't bring myself to buy the membership. So period. I'm excited. Thank you.
Well, now we
Open that bitch up.
Now you can go to Costco by yourself.
Yeah. Now we can cancel. They're like not use your parents essentially. You know.
Why on earth would you do that? Well, there's not even a... Oh.
It's so cute. I'm obsessed with this tote. It's adorable.
I like that tote.
And what does this say? This bag is made 100% from post-consumer recycled material. Look at the tire. Oh my god. There's a TV on a treadmill. Oh my god, this is so fun. Okay, this is a good gift, period. Thank you. What was that?
It was what? This?
Yeah.
It's just like
Things you can get.
Beer and wine, food court, meat and seafood, bakery, produce.
Well, I definitely want to go get the Costco bacon bits, because... Okay, Luna's making an appearance. You want to see the... Oh! I'm sorry, baby.
Why did you think I wouldn't scare?
I didn't mean to scare you. I was just going to open it so you could go inside, because I know you love to go inside. See? What do you think?
Okay.
She's like, are you sure this is safe? It looks questionable to me.
I got you one gift for me.
Right now? I thought we'd do that at night. I think we do that at night.
I don't know.
We just opened one.
Doesn't count.
What do you mean it doesn't count? Luna's really making her appearances
I
today.
really want to open that card, but it says don't open till Christmas. And
I know.
I gotta follow the rules.
I know. And Jen told me not to open the red one till Christmas. But I won't. I haven't even been tempted. It's him. He has the problem.
Oh.
I have more patience than you do, which is
A
crazy because I have no
looked at me
patience.
and said,
Only because every single day, multiple times a day, he goes, "You want to open a gift? You want to open a gift?
Maybe a little gift.
Maybe we can open a gift." I'm like, shut up. We're going to have no gifts on Christmas. If we could just opening a gift.
Maybe open one.
No, tonight.
Not the song I'm going for.
We are young.
You, me.
Why am I not the hot dog?
you got a nice cool beverage. Pepsi.
Yeah.
That's Pepsi.
Yeah. Is this the? I think that's the tortilla chips.
Tired.
I know the tires for toilet paper pizza. All right, we're running late, so I gotta take a quick outfit clip. But this is my outfit of the day. There's a little something there. Again, I think I wore this same outfit before. So, Shein top, Lululemon pants, Kate Spade purse, and Target sunglasses, earrings, and my Etsy evil eye always. We are opening gifts. Doopy-doopy-doo.
One Christmas Eve gift.
I think I know what this one is because I asked Dalton for something from Ulta, and then when he went to Ulta, I was like, I actually can't remember what I asked for, so yay, then it'll be a surprise. And then I was in the bathroom and saw my empty of this, and this is what I asked for. And he even already told me that it was the big size, too. So, here we go. Even though it's not a surprise, I'm still very excited about it. So yeah, we need the nice one. I love ripping wrapping paper. How do you not love ripping wrapping paper? And also, how do you get wrapping paper that's not rippable? How do you make wrapping paper that's not rippable? That is a crime against nature. Unwrappable wrapping paper. Unrippable wrapping paper. Say that 5 times fast.
Unrippable wrapping paper, unrippable wrapping paper, unrippable wrapping paper, unrippable wrapping paper, unrippable wrapping paper.
Period. Okay, obviously we reused some car boxes, and he even told me that he was pretty sure he put it just in the bag as well. I already smell it. Here she is. It's the Sol de Janeiro Balm Dia chemical exfoliant, and it seriously makes my skin softer than fucking anything else. You remember when you couldn't stop feeling my legs the other day? That's when I used the last of this.
Nice. Okay.
Okay. Thank you. I'm very excited about this. Also, these bottles fucking leak, so I recommend putting it in a different bottle, or when you travel with it, definitely putting it in a different bottle.
This one's from Jen and Cole.
Jen and Cole. Oh my god.
It's a crocheted Gengar, my favorite Pokemon. That's why she asked.
She didn't ask.
Yeah.
Well,
Well,
I
you
asked
asked
you.
me.
I didn't think you would put that together, but
Okay, now let's open the rest of them.
tomorrow. Tomorrow. It's just one sleep away.
Well, that's too far.
We just get everything done and then we go to sleep. Easy peasy. Gracias. It's lunchtime.
Come on, smell. Smell. Come on. I just gotta throw the trash away. And then we can go chow now. Come on.
Sass in the walk. We actually did get all the stuff to do regular cookies, but we've been doing a lot of organizing, and that has been taking priority, so we're gonna make Santa some Grinch cookies. $3.50. Okay. I typically am not a big preheater, honestly. I don't think it does a whole lot. So sometimes Sometimes I put it in without preheating, sometimes I don't. Usually just give it a couple extra minutes if I do. Okay. Toast cookies. In you go. And then I'll just set the timer for 14 minutes. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. We just put the cookies and milk out for Santa. You want to go see the cookies for Santa? Come here. Come look. No, you can't eat them. They're for Santa.
They're for Santa.
They're for Santa.
Okay.
Yay, we put them out for Santa. Okay, we have kind of hunkered down. And then Dalton's out there setting up mine. And then he'll cover it with a blanket and I'll set up his. We already put the milk and cookies out. This is the sitch because we couldn't find the right mattress pad, but we have this little piece of foam. Oops, I just knocked over my water bottle. My bad. But Dalton is a skinny guy, so he's okay with sleeping on that. And then I'm gonna sleep on the couch so that Santa can come tonight, and then we'll see what he brings us tomorrow. I also love grilled cheese so much that I have the grilled cheese. Dalton got this for me. I have the grilled cheese squishmallow. Huh?
What kind of tape should I use?
The duct tape that you already put in here. Are you ready for Christmas? Are you excited for Christmas? Yay! Okay, I've got everything set up. Here's Dalton's stocking. There's Luna's stocking. Oh shit, it goes the other way. Fuck. I need to turn that around then. Oopsie. And then mine is covered up. Okay, we are in our Christmas PJs. Luna also has matching PJs. These are hers, but she doesn't have to wear them right now. And we're gonna go to sleep, and we can't wait for Santa to come. We'll see what he brings us in the morning. That'll be cute.